Think, design, build and test. Elevator challenge with VEX and EV3 platforms. An engaging educational project that blends creativity, automation, and robotics. Students begin by thinking critically about the requirements and constraints of building a functional elevator, including weight capacity, size, and speed. In the design phase, they conceptualize their ideas using sketches or computer-aided design, CAD, software, taking into account the mechanical and electronic components necessary for operation. Building the elevator involves assembling the structure using VEX or Lego EV3 parts, integrating motors, sensors, and controllers to create a working model. Finally, testing is crucial to ensure the elevator operates safely and efficiently, involving iterations and troubleshooting to optimize performance.
Me and Max made an elevator. It's taking a while, chat.
This challenge not only hones technical skills but also encourages teamwork, problem-solving, and innovation, making it a valuable educational experience for students and hobbyists alike.